This is my friend Robert's carburetor. He gave me this carburetor. He's got two of these, and he can't get the number 40 jet out. That's the one that's right in this passageway here. So normally you just unscrew it, and then turn the carburetor over and bang it out. And if that don't work, then you just turn it over, and I use a screwdriver. And usually the dome is on when I'm doing it. Bang it like that, and the jet will fall out, but he said he can't get it out, so I'm going to give it a go. He thought he'd smash this in a little bit, so I found a reamer that I'm going to run the reamer in there first, and maybe it got maybe it got out of round a little bit. Got some crud out of there. And then I got a can of air duster, and if you don't have compressed air, this air duster stuff, great for working on stuff. I got it out. What I got it out with was one of these super tiny drill bits that I bought on eBay just for this purpose. Drill tool. So the first blue one I stuck in there, because these are different colors, just broke right off in it. So what I did was I took the second blue one and I just forced it in like that, and when I did, it pulled out of the jet tube, out of the carburetor. But I'm thinking there's still a piece of broken drill bit in there. I'm going to stick the bicycle cable in there and see. A little bicycle cable. See if it goes all the way through. There's that piece of the drill bit that broke off. You see that little tiny thing there. I'm going to throw that in the garbage. And this is actually here. This is what I use to clean these jets out with. These jets are so tiny, tiny. And this is your idle jet. Or they call it a slow jet. So the size reamer I used to go down into this hole, 11/64. So seems like a pretty perfect fit. And then the diameter of this blue drill is 15/1000 of an inch. So that's the one that I was able to jam down inside the jet. It's pretty good fit actually. N E U 0.5 millimeter L 009W drill set. That's what I used.